Renogy 100 watts 12 volts Monocrystalline Solar Starter Kit W/100W Solar Panel 30A PWM NegativeGround Charge Controller MC4 Connectors Tray Cable Mounting Z Brackets for RV, Boat Renogy 100W Monocrystalline Starter Kit is designed specifically for customers new to solar. The starter kit is great for off-grid applications, such as RVs, trailers, boats, sheds, and cabins, providing many benefits, including, but not limited to, quiet power production and grid independence. This solar kit comes with the tools necessary for a new system: a Renogy 100W12V Monocrystalline Solar Panel, a 30A PWM Wanderer Charge Controller, a 20FT10AWG MC4 Adaptor Kit, an 8FT10AWG tray cable, and a set of Z brackets. Start your solar adventure with a Renogy Starter Kit. Negative grounding controller ensures the broader off-grid applications and safety, especially to be used on a vehicle which has battery negative on the chassis. A little extra investment on the right charge controller will generate a much higher return and prevent system failure. The charge controller has been upgraded to Renogy's new 30A PWM NegativeGround Charge Controller, the Renogy Wanderer. With the Renogy Wanderer 30A PWM Charge Controller, you can expand your system up to a maximum of 400W. The kit now includes an 8FT10AWG tray cable to connect your charge controller and battery ideal output, 500Wh per day. Can fully charge a 50Ah battery from 50% in 3 hours, depending on the availability of sunlight. Negative grounding controller with battery reversed, overloading, short circuit and overcharging/discharging protection ensures the broader off-grid applications and safety. Especially can be used on a vehicle which has battery negative on the chassis. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.